What do we have here? This is a Rubik's Cube that could change any stick but's color. And it'll be the best magic trick in the world. Or even the universe. Or even... Oh yeah, right. Right there. Over here. And... Come on. One thing. Done. Okay, this better work. Oh my god, it works! I'm red! Yay! Benny, you gotta stop doing your magic tricks. Jackson is over there questioning his life because of your magic tricks! First I was in math equation. Now I'm in a world where there's two versions of me. Why does this stuff keep happening to me?